Welcome to another video on your smart channel. Today I'm bringing you this math problem. What is half of 2 raised to the power of 100? Option A, 1 raised to the power of 100. B, 1 raised to the power of 50. C, 2 raised to the power of 50. Or D, 2 raised to the power of 99. Okay, now pause the video, try to solve it, and write your answer in the comments. This is very easy. An important reminder. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and like the video because that helps me and motivates me to keep making videos for you. Okay, what is half of 2 raised to the power of 100? Look, 2 raised to the power of 100 divided by 2. It's that simple. You know that the exponent of 2 here is 1, even though it's not written. And when we divide with the same base, we keep the same base. What happens to the exponents? They are subtracted. 100 minus 1. So, here we have 2 raised to the power of 100 minus 1, which is 99. Therefore, the answer is D. I hope you were able to solve this problem I brought you today. Don't make a mistake when solving this equation. Look, 5, which multiplies a parenthesis, inside which we have x, 2. Then plus 3 is equal to 13. What will the answer be? What will the value of x be? Option A, 0, B, 2, C, 4, or D, minus 4. I want to know your answer, so pause the video, try to solve it, and write your answer in the comments. I'm sure many will get it right, because this is very easy. Let's do it together. Okay, 5, which multiplies a parenthesis. We have a property of multiplication, the distributive property, which states that the 5 outside will multiply each element inside the parenthesis, so that the parenthesis disappears. So what do we have? 5 multiplied by x will be 5x. 5 multiplied by minus 2 will be minus 10, plus 3, and all of this equals 13. Great! Now let's solve for x. We leave 5x on this side, and move everything else to the other side. But let's simplify this a little more. We have 5x minus 10 plus 3, which is minus 7, and that equals 13. Now it's much easier. Now I can see the answer. Of course, here we have 5x, and this minus 7, which is being subtracted, will move to the other side as addition. 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is equal to 20, so the value of x, I'll write it here, look, 5x, I'll write it here, 5x equals 20, from which we get that x will be 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. What is 20 divided by 5? 4, which is the answer to our problem. Letter C. You will mark letter C, and the problem is solved. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to another video on your Smart Brain channel. Let's look at this problem. 10 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 10. Careful, don't rush. Option A, 10 to the 10th power. B, 3 to the 10th power. C, 2 to the 10th power. Or D, 5 to the 10th power. What's your answer? Pause the video, try to solve it, and write your answer in the comments. After the video, I'll see how many people got it right and how many got it wrong. I'm sure you'll do well. Okay, how do we solve this? Pay close attention. I'm going to leave the numerator as it is. So I'll leave it like this, 10 to the 20th power. And in the denominator, I'm going to make some changes. Instead of writing 20, I'm going to write this. 10 multiplied by 2, all raised to the 10th power. Do you agree? Instead of 20, I wrote 10 by 2, raised to the 10th power. Now, you know that this exponent applies to each factor. I'll repeat, the exponent applies to each factor. So, this will look like this. 10 to the 20th power, which is the numerator, remains the same. And in the denominator, I'll have 10 to the 10th power multiplied by 2 to the 10th power, right? Why? Because the 10 became the base of the 10th power, and the 2 also became the base of the 10th power. Very good. Now, I wanted to look at this. 10 to the 20th power divided by 10 to the 10th power. What is this equal to? Well, I keep the same base, which is 10, and I subtract the exponents. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. That's what's left in the numerator. And what will we have in the denominator? We'll have 2 raised to the power of 10. Very good. Writing it this way is the same as writing 10 divided by 2, both raised to the power of 10, because the exponent applies to each term in the division. Look, 10 to the 10th divided by 2 to the 10th. Perfect. If we simplify the expression, look, what is 10 divided by 2? It's 5. So, you can say that this will be equal to 5. Let me write it here, 5 raised to the power of 10, which is exactly answer choice D. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Thank you very much for watching this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with others.